And so I sought out something tactile, engaging, and difficult to keep me grounded. I chose to drive a manual Jeep Wrangler. And let me tell you, this thing is nothing if not engaging. Even in its more modern and refined iterations, the Wrangler is just about the most stripped back and bare bones experience that you can get in a vehicle. Solid axles front and rear means that it handles more like an ox cart than a car, bouncing all over the road like a drunk donkey. The soft top barely protects you from any exterior noise, much less anything else on the exterior. There's no insulation or bushings on this stick shift. It's just that metal rod that goes straight into the transmission. Every interaction requires intention and effort. It's everything you need and nothing you don't. And again, I fully understand why this type of driving experience isn't for everyone. It's not exactly a relaxing drive home from work in this thing. Maybe I'm a masochist and I'm punishing myself for perpetuating car dependence. Maybe I'm an old man yelling at clouds, clinging onto my primitive trinkets while the world moves on without me. But I don't think that's it. I think that the act of driving, really driving, is connecting me to something bigger. A realization about modern life that is slowly coming to light.